In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on rulers from the View menu. Whether you're working on a design, laying out a document, or fine-tuning a presentation, rulers are a simple tool that give you accurate measurements right on your canvas. They help you align elements consistently, check spacing at a glance, and keep your layout clean and professional. Before we begin, make sure your project or document is open so you can immediately see the change. The option we're using is located in the application's top menu bar. This is the strip that runs across the top of your screen with items like File, Edit, and View. We'll be using the View menu because that's where display and interface options usually live. Now, here's the action. Go to the top menu, click View, and select Rulers. As soon as you do that, rulers will appear along the top and the left edges of your workspace. They're usually marked with tick marks and numbers that represent measurement units such as pixels, inches, or centimeters, depending on your app's settings. You'll also notice that the cursor position is reflected on the rulers, so as you move your mouse across the canvas, you can gauge exact positions without guessing. With rulers visible, it becomes much easier to check margins, align text boxes and images to consistent offsets, and keep elements evenly spaced. If you're refining a layout for print or ensuring elements are positioned precisely for digital screens, the rulers act like a built-in measuring tape. You'll also find that the values you see remain accurate regardless of your zoom level, so you can zoom in for detail work while still trusting the measurements. In many apps, rulers work hand in hand with guides and snapping, which means that when you position items near common intervals, they naturally line up. Even if you're not using guides, simply having the numbers visible gives you a clear reference point. Some applications also let you customize things like the unit type or the 0 point in their preferences, so you can match your workflow. But for most everyday tasks, just turning rulers on is the key step you need. If you ever want a cleaner view, remember that the same View menu is where you can turn rulers off again. That way, you can switch between a minimal canvas and a measurement-ready workspace whenever you need. And that's it. By going to the top menu, choosing View, and selecting rulers, you've enabled one of the most useful visual aids for precise, confident design and document